Smart 1H. Printer head. Cupping. Head clip. Nozzle test. Ground wire. AVR. Ink tank at ink system. Waste tank. Dito naman ang in-use supplies. Dito naman ang stocks at unused ink at sabli rolls. Sa consumables, ito po ang na-consume kong papel 1.55, copy jet ink, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. 158 meters naman na run last week. Printer daily checklist.